wanna see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you but we alone. Been through the storm, when the rain is on. We saw no one, we alone.
In a party, they're not bad like me. Whoa! Yo, daddy! What's up? What's good? They're not bad like me. Hey! You want me, Alyssa?
No.
No?
No, I'm about to do something.
What do them? Me and them no friend, me and them no friend. Do the thing on no. Eh?
I up the candle, you lit it back?
No. There's magic going on. Yo, what's good? I bought this. How long now I come back? Like about 5 days, 7 days, 2 months, 3 months. But I not deal with for morning, me get up and say, yo, I want all the vibes, I want the Jamaican vibes with the people.
Sometimes Ziggy saying, pick up the camera and you put the camera.
Where they cut me off?
Okay, bye.
Anyway. Easy miss, right now me there, I say I go on all the vibes and see why people them a deal with. You know? as a people going down in got road and in a somebody car park.
Yeah.
And then they fix the instant and somebody in the car look at them like, watch him, you not even know what's me in here.
Yeah, I remember one time I just remember vlogging and we kept saying, remember that?
Yeah, that's what I was remembering that. But anyway, Nisha saying something for sure no.
So guys, remember how I was talking about our shirts? So before I released the whole website and all that stuff, I wanted to actually like sample the products first. So anyways guys, I ordered the shirts, right?
No. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and share a video.
So I ordered the shirts because I said I wanted to do like a sample before I you know, drop the shirts because I want to see the size and things. So the shirt them coming. Yeah. So this is 2 of the shirts that are on the website. We should probably, I'm gonna get Ziggy to put them on. Because I'm small, so it's better Ziggy put them on so you guys can see like how it looks. Because one of these are extra, this is a small and this is a extra small, I think. Okay, so he's gonna put them on. And we also got hats. But we don't know how we feel about the hats yet because the print, I don't know, it's kind of small. I thought it was bigger. But yeah, the shirts are in. They're just simple and cute. That's why you like your shirts. You like your shirts when they're
just, you know,
muscle
fitted.
Yeah.
Fitted, no.
Yo, it actually looks good on you though. Can go on.
That pose fitting them. Like,
model, go back, go. Step back. I thought you said you went to the dump and forgot the boxes. You picked up some of the boxes, Taco. Yeah. All you need is your clerks right now. Yeah. So guys, this is one of the shirts. It looks so good. Like, I actually like it. Like I said, we wanted to sample it out first before we launch the tang.
But yo, so before we even go no further in our video, I like the hair come in the smoke a little bit and they get extra. Before we go no further in our video, just click the like button because trust me, see the algorithm settings at work and I like the vibes. So just go and like up the video before and watch no further.
Yo, the shirt looks so good.
I can't put this on if it's extra small.
Just try so people can see. Cause usually what size are you? Usually what size are you? Usually it's small.
I always get small.
So you guys see how fitted the shirt is on Ziggy. And these are unisex shirts. You guys see the drawer again? Watch. You see the drawer? Yo. Yo, I cannot.
Yo, this is like
tight.
Gonna be tight.
Okay, so maybe I should put it on?
Yeah, you put it on.
Okay. So,
but yo, I like your shirt them pan a big man.
I actually really like the one that you have on.
Yeah?
I like the one.
But yo, wally more style in it too.
This one's
but
really fitted.
The greatest thing, like, it thing come true. But you just say take a friggin' camera from me and they use the camera.
See, like, this one is too fitted on me. Like, I wish it was.
You model now. You model now.
I can't model. Just show the shirt.
Come.
I want to do that, but do that. Where's my Clarks? Where's my Clarks?
Yeah. What you mean? What you mean? What you say?
So this is the other shirt. I thought it was gonna be.
Turn around.
For what?
Let me see the. Yeah, shit bomb door. Hey.
Anyways. So I thought this shirt was gonna. So the reason, this is the exact reason why I ordered 2 different sizes. I want to see. Like for me, this is okay. So if you're petite like me and you want it more fitted, you can go extra small. If you want a little bigger, obviously you go small. And if you're a bigger man, you know the size. But yeah, I like it. It's cute.
True.
The quality of the shirts is actually really good too. I must say the quality is not bad.
Not bad for sure.
But when we wash it, we'll give you guys another review. So one of the big problems that we had, I'm not taking off the sticker, but one of the big problems that we had was when I requested to get a sample of the shirt, they actually had a free sample. I totally missed that. But I need to figure out some stuff with how does this thing work. Once I figure that out, then I will drop the link and you guys can purchase it if you want to. What we're gonna do is with some of the funds that we do get from these shirts, we're going to send it back home to help support like little families. Something that we always do. So that's what we decided to do. But yeah, so when it's officially like up and running, we'll let you guys know, because there is something else that I need to figure out before I can drop it. But yeah. But this is the hat.
Easy. Done. You know, you have your address piece around the back, another one the way.
Yeah.
You know?
Let me see the front. But yeah, the hat, I don't know how I feel about it yet, but we'll see.
Nah, man, I like it, because then you actually...
It's stitched.
The stitch.
It's actually like stitched.
You know, but no, you probably just want
wider.
Wider, but... You know,
and I actually had... Yeah, I actually had NewbyFam here, like a signature thing, but they said it couldn't fit, so I had to
You couldn't put the signature, yes, sir?
I don't know. No. Because it's the way how the template is set up, it tells you where you can put it, yeah.
But for real, it's good.
It's a good look.
Make it good. Yeah.
Make it good.
Yes, sir. But yo, that me always say more patience kind of work out better more, you know? Because at the time when we say we want to do it and it just like things just never push out in a really, so I may say yo, probably I just say things for go on a time for it yet, you know? But just keep it in your mind, say you want to do it and keep moving at it at times, see me. So now we kind of get through with this, because now even the quality of this, like, me like it because then it's stretch. I don't like a then shirt the way tight on you no matter what, but you put on it working like the shirt just feel fitted and nice again, you know. But I like it, just me. As we say, yo, we just there. Today we want to go do the snowboarding and thing, but Nisha didn't feel so well from about Friday. I mean, I say from about Thursday. You see me? So we get up this morning for the energy day, but you don't know things said. We have to judge again. So every time we get a weekend, we just try. But that's it and still. As I say, nothing can't be for it. It's time. You get me? But we just there have one easy back. You know, we kind of don't have our kitchen and now we just figure buy a stove and, you know, drop in the other thing them and then we can move to the next process. But it's just happy to see how things are moving really sweet down. And as I'm say, more we feel like some things not work out for we, but deep down it'll work. But as I always say, at the speed of why they work, you know, because you don't want to just work or just flip like, yo, you know, some more I can't, boom, it can't come. So we want, you know, but you know, so my time just have to hold out until it thing work out really sweet, you see me? Yes, sir. And me I tell you this, yo, remember a couple years ago in time when they talk about Bitcoin and them, I say, yo, I want to buy some Bitcoin, but it's too expensive. And then if me buy it in time, I make a good money off it because he actually went go way up more than what, you know. And well, yeah, I sit down and I look at him and I say, but no, when Bitcoin, when they run them at this a number roughly night time, I talk about it and I say, I not buy it because it's too expensive. And when they go way up, honestly, when they go way up to about 70 thousand and they come back down, I think at them the time I buy it. And then it just, like it crash, daddy, like crazy crash. So now I look at him and I say, well, you never know. You know, so I put in a little bit of money on it. You see, buy a little Bitcoin and a little Ethereum. You know, and buy a little meme coin too. So people, I just want to know, say, you know, if you use, like in them time I give you opportunity for make certain move. You know, because, you know, a couple of years ago, no computer, like computer their own, but people ain't really no use it in a realist way. And now everybody open up to computer, everybody open up to investment, open up to stocks, open up to real estate and them thing there, you see me? And me I say, like how we get the opportunity now with all of them thing there, why we not use it? You see it? Use it and try to make a better life. Not even for yourself, but for you them. Because right now, all I want me to do right now, and not even for myself. But at the same time, I have to do it for use it and push further again. Because, yo, right now, if you tell you my dream, I feel have like a 2 houses in Canada. And if I can get 3. And you see back a yard more about 5 houses a yard. When I can just go and rent out Airbnb out and them thing there. Yo, family, let me tell you, know, we can't work 9 to 5 for you rest our life. You get me? Like, we have to start different, bigger, faster in our little way, isn't it? Because imagine you work right throughout your life and then when time that done, you sit down and you wait for pension money. That's it. But you left your youth them to go to work hard like you again and go sit down wait for pension money and them thing there, you see me? And me I look into it and me I say, what if me can change a cycle in a family life? Like, yo, for me you not supposed to work so hard. Even if you want to go work, but you know say he have things put on for him what him can make bigger for him you them come up again. You get that me I say, yo, yeah, we have to make a start, and me make a start when me just start learning about Forex and going through me start learning about stocks, going through me start learning about like real estate and so now me I say, yo, like we make money in our life and we just use it or we save up it for nothing at all or just put on it. You get me? And me I say, yo, like when me realize certain things, right, you know, like even a credit card and them, remember in people I say, yo, stay far from credit card, don't have credit card. But at the generation how we are come from, like people like them give people credit card and not show them how to use a credit card, how to protect your credit score, how to build your credit score and them, you see me? And we just take it and we just copy. Mama clad. Yo, me a cover Bridget and them tell me say, yo dog, I'll have a credit card max out. And me I say, dog, oh you do for max out your credit card? You know, and the man I say, yo, oh my god, see this and sit down and rare and me I say, daddy, you can't live some man. You see me? Any day I go max out for my credit card, I must do some business. You get me? Cause just the other day, me even learned say, oh, when you use a credit card, like if you just get a credit card or you not want no money for your credit card and you use a credit card at the billing, when they send out the bill, if you use the credit card that time, so we not just saying say February, 1st of February, and the billing cycle go start is 2nd or 3rd of February, and you use the card roughly not at the time there. You now pay that day in next month are coming up. You have one next month before you can pay that the card. Meaning when they send out this bill and you use the card, you get me? And when next bill go come out, that the bill go come out showing say you owe this amount and you due date at that day. You get what I say? So it's like you get the whole of that the time there. From the 2nd of the month you use the card, you have until the next month when you will get your bill. If you know how much you pay, so you still go on next month to come again. So basically you have 2 months first before you can pay that. I mean I say, yo, but they not show you that. They not show you say you have to watch the interest of your credit card and them. They not show you say you have to keep your credit card below 30% or whatever they give up on your card. So if you allow them know, if you don't have a credit card and you want to build your credit, keep your credit card under the 30%. You get me? Or if you go use certain amount, try have the money where you can use it, pay back all of that they at certain time. But if your credit score if your credit card under 30% or whatever amount of money you have on it, it's more better for you because it kind of build your credit more. For all who can get a credit card or can get credit card same way. Use on your own money, probably can get it from the bank, you have only places what it. Use your own money, tell them say you want to put it on one card as a, I don't remember why I call, but you can do something like that. You use your own money and you will get something like a credit card where you can use that the card as a credit card even though it's your money but it's still a bill your credit. Yo, family, you don't need to open up for your eye. You see that them time I too much things up on the internet for you not learn what go on in the world. You see it, so big up on yourself. I ain't come here to chat about that, but you don't know, so you have to share some settings. That's why I tell people them say, you see vibes are over here, so over here someone to no come and check in, cause yo, it's when we drop something with knowledge for the rest of people them. You get me? And so we wanna live, cause when you get liquor, you see when you learn something and you keep it to yourself, you're not getting no blessings from it, you see me? When you learn and share out there, you get blessings because it's like you're not keeping knowledge to yourself, you're sharing and that with the offer. So big up on yourself for the check out the thing then when that thing pop up. I'm so excited then. Bang! Yo, honestly, I love the shirt them and I just can't wait for the thing them drop and the people them just start link up. You know, send in some pictures so we can start an Instagram page and say, yo, see it, yeah. I only for chattings in it, you know, you don't know anything said. I'm a 10. That I want. I could have one now. You see it, you don't know, say, you have a next one, a chop in, say, but you have to dip on the vibes and dip on the energy I want to pass through, you vlog them, no. But you don't know. We're there. And I'm out. Family. Right time, you know. 12:42. This one I'm read a man and say, bring me peace, bring me wealth, bless me with great health, clear a path so that I can flourish, because what's ahead shall surely nourish. Every morning before I go work, I always read that. You know, before I go to my bed. So this is what we are dealing with tonight. See? Focus. That's what they all about. So, now ask me me to go in at night. Yeah. What did I mention there? Oh, Nisha saying you want fries, McDonald's fries. Uh-oh. If you make your black in, for use Keisha care. Until we can see me. So it will have my place set in this time of night. It kinda look nice though. You know? Kinda look nice. Still up on the road, but I got McDonald's cause. So yo, I go buy Nisha in McDonald's and something in the night. You know, I say things set. Woman, them you know you don't know anything set. You have to protect the woman and make sure it's a woman alright now, because we can't let them know what they give other man for the, you know. I said what we always say that people always say, think you don't see so, but a fact still, it's facts, you know. Because when you look on life, you know, as I say, I never share this with you, know. You have this youth I say like, oh, him nah pick up no panty off on a line. Oh, man a bad man. Man a take up panty. And, you know what I mean? And you know tune a play and cartel song a play say, oh, you know wash no girl jaws and you have to look if it or them thing there, you know? And a virgin cross is free. One day is like rain or fall, you know, daddy. And me I tell her say the girl like either she ain't sick. Like I guess I fear time a month them settings there like mama sick out, you know. And but she ain't wash on her stuff them up on the line and rain and come down and the boy out the road. You know? And the virgin will live next door see the panty them on the line. Yes, sir. But anyway, the virgin see panty them on the line and the virgin goes, "Run it up!" and jump across the fence wicked. You know? And I call and I say, "Yo, mama, I think them out to do up on the line and wait up and rain and come, you know?" And it's like mama I say, "No, you know, so me feel sick and me can't come out." And the G goes, "Run up!" and take up the panty them. Take up the panty them for mama. And you know, couple months after like youth I say, "Oh, some boy a waste man for take up panty of a female no man, you know," and him say the virgin will take up the panty them for girl a waste man. And they check out the boss start beat mama. I virgin start beat mama skin cause that mama say, "Oh, he respect a G cause he think them up on the line, you know." And a dirty boy, see when mama say to you, a dirty boy only want to take off dirty panty, but a fact still, you know, they only want to take off like panty them dirty all on there.
Alright, have a great day.
Alright. Yeah, so it's like EG want to take off like that me not understand. Oh, you want to take off a panty off a woman. You know? Your woman a booted up and you want to take off a panty off a woman. Dirty panty you want to take off the car if you woman have on the panty for an idea or you man beard and put on the panty and go piss and come back that the panty they dirty. And you're willing to draw off that the panty there, but if the panty they on the line you want to wash and clean, you not touch it. Brother, the man them need to open up the yeah star. But anyway, go back to what me I say. Me woman want say you want McDonald's, you want fries, so she not feel so well, so come out, me come a road, come buy her fries, master. I don't know anything set. When I tell she asks me something, I come a road, left my wallet. You know? Come a road, left my wallet. But yeah, so we have to do what we have to do. We have to take care of the woman them. You see me, just as much as the woman them have to take care of we, you know. That's why you see me and Nisha vibes, you know, me and Nisha vibes kind of different in our way, because we understand one another in our little way. Sometimes I have some bad vibes more while, but buckler, that's a relationship going on, man. The relationship not perfect in a day. Blood clot, sometimes I have your woman in some argument and it want to vex. And like yeah, so I think me I chat to him about buckler. And I say to him over there say he not come chat to you, you know. And by the time you turn around and it one yeah, make four and little smile just crack say, "Hey, what's up?" You know, but your life, yeah man. You see me, as I'm saying, a relationship not perfect, and so that make relationship strong too. When you go through some rough time, you see me? Because even though like how we are trying to make ends meet, not even say ends meet, like now we are trying to be financial stable in our life, you know. When we make you know, we can't cut live mama. Because when we ain't rich or, you know, she went did it with we see and we and go and tough out life, you see me? Why me go get rich you know and take out my hard working money go give one gremlins? Or why one woman if you have hard working money take go give one next man just so? And you may have the other man or the other woman where you in the struggle with. You know, you have to keep it with them man. You know? But hold on there. Yeah, fries smell good. Yo, but I want to rate McDonald's fries or Burger King fries. Cause if somebody say Burger King fries better than McDonald's fries, something wrong with you know. Hold on. She said she want fries. Let me taste the fries them and see if they fry good. Cause if they not fry good, I go carry them back. I'll see. Yeah man, they fry good. They're nice. And McDonald's is nice. Cause I can't make sure eat food when I cook good, you know. I have to make sure I say it cook good, you know. A Jamaican man. Not joke, everyone follow me. But yeah man, me just a burn up road man. Where my wallet there? My Rasta VH. Oh, come out, I also come buy one fries for one woman. Eh? And that a cold time. How about that? Oh, what that? So I'm gonna like the socks now. I have to push them more. Ouch. Ouch. For the bomber clot. You scared me just now. Here. So what I thought was. So look if nobody are watching.
Did you hurt my knee?
What are you doing with my shirt, bro?
I just took my shirt out the drawer. The hell, your clothes is my clothes.
I can't.
Once you're in a relationship with a girl, just know your clothes is their clothes.
So, I go call Polly and make Polly like tell you what really happened in a time when she meet in an accident. You get me? Because that's something what she talk about regular, so I don't like say or that's something where they say yo like you're ashamed to talk about, you see me? And to me is a thing which party that they say yo listen to your mind same way, because I say thing will actually happen, get to happen, because I guess she never want to go, but at the same time because our friend like she push, like she go out her comfort zone and go, and you know that's the thing happened, you see me? And it was rough, you get me? So it's just that it's a story where it's bad. Well, yeah, I mean, I want a sad way, but at the same time, you can learn from it. It's me if you say, yo, some of the time, if your mind say, yo, bududu, just bududu. Is it? But, I have a shout her, you know, and then make sure she or she happy. And then we can see Polly. Polly probably got a road today. Hot up and come back. So, when they try to get her up on the iPad, which part? The thing that show more brighter, or not really brighter but bigger, is it. Cause see them in that tune if you go can see her. See it, you know. Let me see if I can wipe out my phone screen. Tell them to say cause I probably got a road today. Well at top. Yes sir. Easy me. I hope when I go can hear her still. So Polly, as I say, tell in my last video I think as I tell you, may say like mention when time you meet in an accident, yeah? And, well at the ring light may have some, so you can see ring light in my phone. But yeah, so may ask Polly if you can share with you know what exactly happened. And as I say, I just feel like I want to way which part people can take from it to say yo some of the time if your mind tell you a thing, just some of the time just work with your mind, because you don't know what can happen. Anyway, so Polly, big up yourself, looking well, young and beautiful. Dang it! Outside. Yeah, so
I mean that now.
yeah.
So 2000, I don't quite remember, 2002. I was at a friend's house at on the 15th of August 2002. That was the friend's birthday. So I went out there, celebrated with the friends. So My friend now, next friend now, got to work, and then she called me and asked me if I could come and pick her up from the road because she can't get no drive.
Yeah.
So I said, okay. And I called my good friend and asked him if he could go and pick up my friend for me. The person said, yes, but he's my friend, so I would have to go with him. So I follow him.
So at the time you didn't want to go, or?
No.
Yeah.
No, like what my friend, he said, when I go, I said to me, say, Polly, don't go. You know? And I said, try my friend, we go. But, you know what? He will go, but after my friend said, I'm not going. So we say, okay then. And we go. And where we are going, we are step and buy something to eat. So I said, so my food, I feel my friend, so we go pick her up, coming back now, and we are back now. Tell the truth, I don't know when I don't even know when the vehicle looking at it. I wouldn't know stay. I know say the vehicle, there is not some accident, but we don't know nothing. We don't know say. And somebody will tell me, because they say we come out on the ball and they say, me back, and me not cry for no foot, I just me back, me cry for. So that the next man, the man who looking at that the van day, as far as me get to understand, say, it was a foreigner. So a bar the man I come from, so he might drink, and he probably drunk or whatever.
Yeah.
So he drive out, that means that I'm wrong, because he drive out and drinking and the bus for me, you know. So, right there, they saw my foot broke, but me never knew my foot broke at the time, because I'm unconscious. So they carry me go to Family Hospital and from Family Hospital to Newby. And then come around now and realize, say, I broke my foot broke. So
after accident, you what, everybody else will knock out when that in an accident or what?
No, because them cannot tell me what happened. Understand me, but them cannot only get probably jerk. On my side, you know.
Oh,
my
okay.
Side,
See.
Everything. Yes, on my side. The side I'm in the front. Yeah. So I just saw the blood foot coming in.
Oh, okay.
And then now, you know, I suffer really a lot.
Cool.
Over 6, let me see. Never cast until like 6 weeks before his cast. And after I cast, I still feel like cast until them say by 6 weeks time I come up, then I cast right back to January.
Roughly how long that that?
So it cast go on for about 9 September. Yeah, 9 September. So me in I cast, so you know I look for say I come up about anytime October, early November. So me in I for the time. So me when the disc broke, my foot never cast at the same time. I mean, the power something called backslap. So me have the foot stretch out. You remember say? You know remember that?
Yeah. Very good one.
I was that ball and you come pick me up. Yes. So finally I cast a good while before you could not take off of my foot. So that is it. And then I'm talking. So she
Funny say I'm talking. I mean that man, I say go hush.
You know what I'm talking. So anyway, I saw you go.
Yeah.
I have to sit down for a good while before we can go anyway, and then after the cars take off now, the fine said the foot obvious been up like probably about 3 ways. 100 and 3 ways, and then I say no, I don't like how the foot looks, so I have to go back to Brocky.
Jesus
so
Christ.
Brock it back.
Yo, remember when you in the mention, like when that they come up in all the conversation and like when they say you have to go broke back your foot because you know like how you look and like everybody in the say well in a few at that time, like me, I say, oh God, man, like look how long police sit down and you have to go back through this again. You know what I mean?
And man, and it's been up, man, and you have to brush your back, so after brush your back now. After we broke back my foot now, and if you have to for a while, and then it's set now, again, I have to go back again to the county. The iron. Because if you have this big scar on my foot and then some tissue in my foot, like, you know.
But I say, you see it though, but you have an idea now, you're good still.
Yes,
you know. So
because even doctor that person we could have got back on operation, but like she did the thing where they start to push up in your so that they, if you not affect the why should I go?
Yeah, you know.
So just and then you know, so we need the wear now,
yeah, man.
Short clothes down now, beer pants,
you see. So you see that the family after all of that they collect more, they go through a little phase a life which for insecure because she not like how her foot look, you see me, and you don't know that can stay, so how you normally wear probably pay long pants and dress.
Yeah, we cry, them not care for you worry alone. Been through the storm when the rain is up, we saw no one.